Today I'm going to review the pediatric drop known as, you can see that this is the Duvent PD. Fine. This pediatric cough syrup has been formulated for the pediatric age groups. This is having actually salbutamol 1 mg per 5 ml, theophylline 50 milligrams per 5 ml, and ambroxol. This actually has been this formulation has been prescribed for two types of cough. One is productive, that is ambroxol has been used to lyse the cough viscosity and to produce a bronchodilation. So the theophylline and the salbutamol. So this has been a very low dose for the pediatric age groups, and this has been prescribed as a age specific. And best, this has been reviewed here. This is one of the very good product available in the Indian market, and basically in the Calcutta. You can use this for your baby. If your baby is from the 1 years to up to 5 years, you can use this up to 2.5 ml BD or thrice daily. That's all.